My dad always said it was my grandfather's fault why we caught the sailing bug. He used to be a naval officer. Yachts, ships, dinghies. If it could float, he knew everything about it. Mostly, I remember the holidays. That old fishing boat he spent more time fixing than sailing. He used to say yachting is about the feeling. If you can't tell the boat's moving, what's the point? It's the sound of an engine, the creak of a mast that gives a boat its soul. There's no passion in a push start. A yacht affords you time. Time for your family, time for yourself. And that's what's important.